Hi, my name is Charity Mitchell. I currently live in the state of Maryland. I am working at the Mental Health Association here in Frederick County, where I assist families with navigating through resources within our community, helping them get referred out to programs that can help them anywhere from mental health issues, getting into therapy, or assisting them in things like attending IEPs, helping them work through with the schools and making sure that the kids are getting what they need there. I don't currently work with a team to diagnose clients at the time. I've really never done that. I did in the past, back in 2000, work in a residential treatment center in Colorado where I worked with kids with females from age 10 to 17 who were struggling in home or in their foster homes, and helping them with life skills and things like that. But I've never actually worked with a team to do the diagnosis. For the most part, I worked with the girls had already came to us with a diagnosis, and then they would work with our therapists and work in the groups according to the diagnosis that they held. But I've never actually been a part of a team to actually provide the diagnosis to a child. I look forward to taking the class with all of you guys, and you guys have a great day.